Love, Nanay and Claire.
Hello KaFam! Welcome to our channel. Isang araw, isang pahina ng aming buhay. This morning is just an ordinary day startup for us. We are getting ready for online learning and eating our breakfast, and suddenly this happened. A 6.6 earthquake hits Masbate City Leyte at 8:03 in the morning, and we felt it in Iloilo City at intensity 4. We will finally reveal the outcome of our DIY Huga Kitty bedroom makeover. We will show you the day and night shots, but I suggest you wait for the night shots where we will show the before and after video and when we started to light up the room. Before we start, we will provide the direct link to Shopee shops where we bought some of the items and others are from SM Home. Also, it will be nice for you to check out our Part 1 DIY Huga Room Makeover to complete the whole transformation process. This is our simple mini room tour, starting with the study table for Claire, which she had 3 years ago. You see, we are still using our old stuffs because we are on a budget. We are waiting patiently until this bedroom will be renovated one day. Whether you have a big or small room, you can definitely turn it into something nice and organized. Sometimes you just have to take courage to let go of things and think what you want to have a brand new start.
This is my dad. Her name is Angelique. That's my cousin dad.
Next is this wardrobe cabinet, which has my first ever stethoscope. It's 14 years old already and working. I am not a fashionable one and I rarely buy clothes for myself too, but Claire is. So she got these dresses and she really loved them so much.
This is my money, KaFam.
This side sort to have our emergency necessities, from rechargeable fan to emergency light. And since Claire is asthmatic, we have her nebulizer ready, and so you will not expect a curtain in our room too. At 5 years old, Claire loves having her own space already to place what she wants and how she wants it to be. So these are the rest of her clothes and personal things. And this is my maintaining anchor. Music sets my mood and still working on learning how to play the piano. Hey everyone! Meet Claire's must-haves in her bed right now. Gabby, Ira, Kayla, and Baba.
This is my first day, Baba. Love.
Remember this papyrus paper plant writing surface? All the way from Egypt, this is the painting looks like. The Pyramids of Giza, Egypt. Wait until nighttime as this glows in the dark as well. And the one we painted on the wall is actually Nanay and Claire, an empty illustration of what we both like. From our favorite flowers, rose, sunflower, and cherry blossoms to Christmas berries. So what is it in us if we make our room beautiful and organized? It is believed to reduce the feeling of being overwhelmed every day, gain a sense of control, set a good example to kids, reduce your stress level, gain energy and calm from your space, make better use of your skills, and more time to spend for me time. Who doesn't want that? We believe everyone deserves a calm environment and good night's sleep every day of our lives. Create yours too. Love, Nanay and Claire.